Hi there, music makers. Want to start producing your own tracks without spending a dime? In this video, I will show you the best free DAWs for Windows in 2025. So for Mac users, please bear with me this time. I will break down their features and help you pick the perfect one for your music journey. Stick around because I've also got some tips on how to find your ultimate DAW for your music production journey. So let's dive in. First up is Tracktion Waveform Free. It is a powerhouse with unlimited tracks, audio, and MIDI support. You can bring in effects and instruments, both paid or free ones. And it is beginner friendly while still offering pro level feature for when you are ready to level up. This DAW is perfect for productions like rock, EDM, beats, and more. So if you want to grow with your software, Traction's got you covered. The link will be in the description if you want to try it out. Next on this list is Cakewalk by BandLab, a fan favorite. It is a fully loaded DAW with unlimited tracks and an incredible pro channel strips featuring EQ, compression, tape saturation, and more. So if you're interested to try this one out, grab it while it's still free. And the good part is once downloaded, it is yours forever. This one is great for every music style, from pop to beats, and even has a clip launcher for live performance vibes. Let's talk about Pro Tools Intro. Yes, it has some limits. 8 tracks for audio, MIDI, and instruments, but it gives you a taste of the professional workflow used in studios worldwide. With high quality plugins like Expand 2, this is ideal for aspiring pros aiming for that studio experience. Then we have Studio One Prime. It's almost unlimited but doesn't support third-party plugins, sadly. However, it is a solid platform for recording and arranging, and their instruments like Presence XT are excellent for electronic and rock music. Plus, if you get hooked, upgrading is seamless. Now, for beginners, Music Maker Free is a fun, easy start. With its drag and drop loops, 8-track, and 3 virtual instruments, you can quickly create EDM or beats. If you're serious about music, the $29 upgrade unlocks way more power. Now, let's not forget the classic Audacity, known more for audio editing. It's simple to use, supports VST3 plugins, and it's perfect for recording and editing audio tracks. However, it doesn't handle MIDI or virtual instruments, so it is great if you're working only with audios. If you prefer working on the go, check out BandLab. It is cloud-based, so you can start on your phone and finish on your computer. Interesting, right? While latency might be an issue for audio recording, its MIDI editing and virtual instruments are top-notch for electronic genres. So beatmakers, you will love MPC Beats with its classic pad-based workflow, 80 effects, and VST supports. It is ideal for crafting beats and adding a vocal or two with its 2-track limit, sadly. And finally, we have LMMS. LMMS is all about virtual instruments. While it doesn't record audio, it's great for creating MIDI compositions and exporting loops. So now, taking you to the tips for choosing your DAW. How do you choose the right DAW? It is simple. Think about your needs. Do you want unlimited tracks? Are you into beats, loop, or live instruments? Do you prefer working online or offline? Pick 2 to 3 DAWs from this list, download them, and create simple beats or song in each DAW. You will quickly figure out which one feels right for you. And remember, the best DAW is the one you know how to use. So invest time in studying, practicing to really understand how to use it. Alright, that is it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more music production tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite free DAW. Keep creating amazing music, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.